with our vegetables and our brine. We have julienne carrots, flowered shaped carrots, mini sweet peppers, shallots, ginger, garlic. Oops, don't forget we have raisins. And then now is the brine. We're gonna put the brine here. What I did with the papaya, I squeeze it with the salt, drain it, rinse it, and drain it so well. So this is dry. Now we're gonna put the brine and all the ingredients. How about that? This is hot. I have another one over there. Let's put it now. How about this? The shallots, everything. So we'll let it settle for the whole night in the refrigerator, and then tomorrow we'll put it in a jar. I love my achara, not so sweet. That's why I love making achara. I know we have more here. Right. I put brown sugar on our brine. So they will all together.
Happy 4th of July.